Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to activate Scotia Bank Credit Card. For that, open any browser and search for Scotia Bank. Open the first link. It will direct you to the home page of Scotia Bank. On the middle of your screen, you can see credit card. Hover your mouse on the credit card, you will see under the services, activate your credit card. Click on that. Here you will be asked, are you a Scotia Bank customer with access to online banking? If you say yes, then you need to sign in into your account. If you say no, then you need to do continue. Then you need to add your card number and hit on continue to activate Scotia Bank credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.